All right, and so to continue, we see that now we have our perimeter. So it's going to be 18 plus 18 plus 18, and that's going to be 30 plus 8 plus 8 is 6. Excuse me, 8 plus 8 is 16. And then you do 16 plus 8 is 24. So it's 54. That's the perimeter. All right. All right. So SOHCAHTOA, find three trigonometric ratios for X and Y. So you got SOHCAHTOA, okay? Opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. So sine of X is going to be opposite over the hypotenuse. So we're doing of X though. So we actually need to find the second side first. So let's find the second side. So we have c squared, which is 5, 7 squared plus b squared. So that is going to be 25 times 25. That's 625 equal to 49 plus b squared. It should be 24. So b equals 24. So this is 24. All right, so now you can go ahead and do your opposite over hypotenuse. So 24 over 25. Cosine of X is going to be adjacent of our hypotenuse, so that's going to be 7 over 25. Tangent of X is going to be opposite over adjacent, so that's going to be 24 over 7. Okay, and then we got sine of Z, so that's sine of Z, so opposite over our hypotenuse, so that's going to be 7 over 25. And then Z, cosine of Z, that's going to be adjacent over our hypotenuse, so 24 over 25. And then we have tangent of Z, that's going to be opposite over adjacent, so 7 over 24. And there you go.